What is up, guys? Back here with another video, and today I am going to be talking about this. Yes, it is all built. Anyways, let's get started. So let me go over the computer specs with you guys again. I have the Ryzen 7 3700X, 8 cores and 16 threads, 32 gigs of RAM, and NVIDIA 1660 Super. I know it's not the best, but that's all I had for the budget. The first thing we have to do is change all the colors to, well, my liking. So I have to download something called Aurora Sync. I can change all the colors from here, even different modes. So I'm going to choose static, and it's going to be red. I don't know why it's showing orange, but it's actually red in real life. Anyways, this is how it looks. For some reason, I can't get the CPU fan to turn red too, which can get annoying, but who cares? I mean, it's underneath my desk. No one's gonna notice. So I just ran Cinebench R20, and I got 4,801 single core performance, which is really great, actually. My old laptop right here scored around 700, yeah, 700, between the Intel i5 5th gen and Intel i5 3rd gen. This has the Intel i3 7th gen with 8 gigs of RAM. Okay, so second thing I want to test out is DaVinci Resolve. How smooth is DaVinci Resolve? I have not edited the last video on DaVinci Resolve. That was actually on iMovie, but let's see how DaVinci Resolve does it. I'll take some sample clips of like 1 minute long with no audio, just saying. Anyways, I'll get back to you when I'm done recording and putting all the media in the Dropbox right there. So I've got all the sample clips right here, and let's go through this timeline. Okay, it's buttery smooth. As you know, I edit in 4K 30 frames per second, so the fans are really kicking up, actually. Like, this is incredible how smooth this is. It's buttery smooth. Okay, let's try rendering this, actually. Deliver. I'll be back. Okay, so going to the rendering place, I've got everything ready. I'm going to export this in 4K 30 frames, just like you're going to watch this video in 4K 30. And let's start rendering. You can hear the fans kicking up. Okay, this is going pretty fast, actually. Way faster than any machine I ever tried. This is incredible how fast this goes. Oh my god. So if we open Task Manager, we have jumped up like 3 gigs of RAM just exporting this. Like, this is incredible how much RAM it uses. Wow. I'll get back to you when it's done rendering. Okay, it is done rendering, and I actually felt the fan in the back, and it is hot. You can actually feel the cold air just going in and like getting heated back right there. Okay, since we're done rendering the video, let's play some Valorant and see how many frames we get. Okay, so we're in the game right now, and let's start moving a bit. As you can see, I'm getting around 315 frames, 305, around that mark, and it's actually pretty smooth. But this display can only output 60 Hz, so it wouldn't matter that much. Okay, so there are 2 things that I've noticed about the computer, and these are the 2 bad things. Okay, number 1, the power cable for the power supply is very short, and there are 2 things you can do. Number 1, get a power strip, or just get a longer one from a retailer. Okay, so this the second bad thing. The USB receiver that I tried to put in the backside used to jitter a lot. So the mouse used to jitter like crazy. You might be asking, why is it not jittering for you? Well, good question. I actually have a USB extender going from here all the way down to the back of the computer, so I can get a direct line of sight to the receiver, which is great. Plus, at my view right here, I physically can't see it, which is great. I don't have to see any more wires at all. except for these. Anyways guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you like this video, like it. If you love this video, smash the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss a single video in the future. Plus, my Twitter account's gonna be linked right below the like button, so go follow it to get updates on the next video. Until then, peace.